Good afternoon, my name is Daniela Vallarli Barrera Beltran. My topic is Draft Unification Code of Commerce and Civil. The Congress discussed a project by initiative of the National University that seeks to unify the Civil Code and the Commercial Code in order to place them in a single normative body. Content. The right of individual status of people, their assets, obligations, contracts, civilization, accepting commercial and mercantile matters in the same way. Custom. That the commercial customs that have been used for several years in Colombia will continue and will have the same authority as the law, but is conditional to the following: that does not against the same law in manifest of tacit. Humberto de la Calle. There is a trend expression of commercial relaxation, which implies a greater predominance of commercial law over civil law in the lives of people and society. In my opinion, that single fact does not seem a sufficient justification to merge two legal systems, legal purposes that have clearly distinguished shape, purpose, event, and current times. Consequence of not being unified, resulting in legislative disorder. Therefore, a type uncertainty arises when it is up to the parties of the judice to decide what the roles are for the specific case, be conviction or convenience. Here are civil law territories that have been and will always be inaccessible to commercial law, such as personality rights, family relaxation, and inheritance, and the other extreme liberanzas, bills of exchange, and generating industries. Aspirations. It is hoped that it will incorporate norms in the law consumption and thus avoid the heat fine imposed by superintendencies and complete with redirecting the legal space, avoid legal uncertainty, duly legislation, difficult of delimitation between the civil and commercial act, and improper or inconvenient application specific case. Aspirations. Contracts and obligations which cease to be a theoretical duality and will be project as interesting reality recognized by international conventions and by the legislative adoptions of the necessary aspects to ensure legal financial, banking, and accounting security. In Chapter 2 of the aforementioned project is where the contractual regulations are found in a more substantial, clear, and concise way. Topics such as partnerships, contracts, concept, distinct legal person, validity of the partnerships contract. Finish.